my hammer again. I think I'm crazy again. That's not a good girl. You get fucked by my hammer. I'll get to next time.
So a little background on this animatronic. I purchased the Pennywise in 2019 at Spirit. I published I believe the demo back in October, and it is also in my haunt. Hugs the Clown I purchased in 2018. That's been in my haunt for 2 years. It was in my 2018 and my 2019 haunt. Wacky Mole Clown, I purchased this just a couple months ago, but again it's from 2013. And then Thrashing Clown I purchased in 2018 also, but it was broken and I had to fix it. But I've had all these for not very long, and I also had a Dead Humor Clown, but I sold that to Spirit Halloween 9 so that I could purchase a 3D printer, and he's enjoying that now. But I'm looking for more clown props, but I want life-size ones now. But these are really awesome. They're all about my height or taller, except Thrashing Clown, of course.
Well, I'll just have to catch the next one then.